guys, it's your girl Mirabelle here, and I'm here to give you a quick DIY tutorial you could do by yourself of tying your head tie, your turban, and your gele. But this particular video is going to be tying your gele. So guys, I'm always going to be doing every video each week. I'm going to do a video, a tutorial on how to do a head tie. So please, if you want to learn more, and I feel like these things are things you could do by yourself, especially if people disappoint you. So what you could do is, for me right now, is click subscribe and click that notification button, because each week I'll be doing tutorials on how to make your life easier beauty wise. So for this video, we're going to do a tutorial on gele. Like I said, each week we're going to do a tutorial on, see, I have this beautiful gele, I have another gele. So just click subscribe, trust me, and encourage me so I can keep posting this video, so you don't have to pay too much money to hire someone to do your gele for you. So I'm always going to be looking at 2 different videos, so please don't say I'm crazy, because I have 2 different cameras here. So the first thing you need is a gele. Actually, the first thing you need is patience. The second thing you need is your gele, and the third thing you need is pins. For this video, I'm going to be using this pin. What you actually need is the regular pin that doesn't have the ball points on here. So what I did is I just made makeshift one for myself because I'm a tailor. So number 1, you have a lot of patience. I always tell people, if you're going to do your gele yourself, please try and not do your makeup last. Or if you have faith that you're going to do an amazing job, which I do know you do have, then you can have your makeup done. And then it's always good if you have short nails, so that it's easier for you to get around. So this is my gele. This is what it looks like. This is a silver one, a gold one, a silver one. And so what you're going to do now is, this is the front, this is the back. So the back goes like this. So the front, you bring it in front like this, halfway. So you make sure you have 2 sides equal. But as you're doing it, you'll notice that one side is always going to be less. So you just tie it behind in a knot. So once you're done tying it in a knot, just try and make sure your ears is covered. If you have a ponytail, you can leave a little bit of hole in the back. But for me, I'm just going to leave it like this because I don't have a ponytail and I'm not wearing a wig. So you tie it very, very tight. You see how tight it is? You see one side and you have one side. So one side, this side is a little bit shorter, like 2 inches shorter, but it's fine. So what I do is, I'm right-handed, so I'm just gonna start with my right hand. So you fold it. This is very easy to do. Fold it like this. Hold it under your armpits, because this is something you have to do by yourself. Then you fold it keep rolling it. You see? If it's easier for you, you can actually take off your earrings. You see how beautiful it's already looking? And then it's a knot. You see how beautiful it is? Like this, you bring it in like this. Now, this is one style you could do. Click subscribe, because I'm going to be showing you different styles you can do with this. One style you can do, so you have this right here, and you knot it like that, and then you have this. And it's okay if you make a mistake. It's not the end of the world. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. This is one style. See how beautiful it's turning on. Don't let anyone fool you. One style, like this is the first style. I'm going to do different styles with this knot. So just click subscribe, but this is one style. So you see how this is. Now make sure it's your front that is always showing. Now with your ballpoint pen, you see, like all you have to do is hold it like this and make it, just think flower, and then make sure it's the front of it that is showing. Any flyaways, you can just cut it off, and then you take your pin. Be careful you don't pin, you don't hurt yourself. Forgive my makeshift thing. So you pin it in the front well. Remember, you have to get a different kind of pin, not this one, so that it doesn't show. You pin it once, you take another one, you just pin it securely. You can actually go back a little bit and continue pinning. See how nice it is. You take this pin, this end right here, you take a pin and you pin it here. You take another pin and you pin it here. Just be patient. Now see how beautiful it looks. Now this is for someone, the daring person who likes to just look different. Like this is all you need right here, and all you have to do is, maybe if you want, you can pull it back. Voila guys, and this is how you have your nice gele. If you want, you can actually fold it up. I prefer anything dramatic going up. Like, see how beautiful it is. And this is one, you pin it down here. But if you want to have something like you're scared, like you're not daring yet, then if you want, you can just fold it down and use another pin and hold it right here. You see, you have a beautiful gele. I'm going to turn around so you guys see what it actually looks like, but perfect. Like, so guys, this is part 1 of this video of a stylish, quick DIY gele you could do on your own, and you're good to go. Click subscribe. In the next video, I'll still use this gele and show you how to do a different style. Trust me, like this is perfect for someone who's creative, who doesn't like the normal fan gele, who wants something different, you know. Even with this style, imagine if you had a nice outfit like this. But anyways, guys, please click subscribe, click follow, and I'm going to be showing you guys more videos on how I can achieve DIY Ankara do-it-yourself tutorial on how to tie your gele by yourself with no help at all. Till next time, it's your girl Mirabelle. I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye guys.